I'm going to walk you through a scenario if you're a Monday, Wednesday student, how you would make your stuff available offline in case you don't have internet. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Classroom and you're going to go to the classwork tab of your assignments that your teacher's assigned. Maybe they've just assigned you a Google Doc that they want you to work on. So you're going to click the assignment. You're going to go ahead and open up that Google Doc file for this particular assignment. You're then going to go to File and click the setting Make Available Offline, which appears right here. So you've made that assignment available offline for you to use at any time that you are away from the internet. Go back to Google Classroom and you'll see a PDF document assignment. So this may be a document or a book or something that maybe your students or that your teacher has assigned to you that they want you to read on your Tuesday or on your Thursday or Friday whenever you are in the classroom. So to do that, you just click on the document. So up here in the top right, there's a download button. You would click download. And it's going to download the file down here to the bottom right of your screen. Once that document downloads, you hit Show in Folder. And you'll see that document is downloaded to your machine now. You can create a folder to put your documents in. Maybe you would call it a PDF folder or call it a reading folder. And then you can drag that file into that reading folder. So that now is available offline as well. And now finally, if a teacher wants you to watch a video while you're at home on that off day and you do not have internet, this is how you would go through the process of downloading that video. You'll again click the assignment. The video will pop up. You'll click the video. Click the download button at the top right. You will click Show in Folder once it downloads. Again, this is here where I would again create another folder by right-clicking, going down to New Folder, and put Videos, and then drag that video into that video folder.